Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make and use the cookware shelf in Windrose. This is especially useful for crafting more epic foods inside of the cooking fire. So to begin, you'll need some hardwood and ironware. The hardwood can be obtained from the foothills biome, and in which you'll need to find a forest containing DVDB trees from which you can mine the hardwood using an iron axe. The second material which you'll need is iron ore, from which you'll need make some foothills iron ingots and ironware inside of the workbench. The ironware requires 5 iron ingots for one of them. You'll need 2 to make the shelf, and to make the shelf you'll go to crafting and utilities and go to cooking and cookware shelf. Now you can go ahead and place it on a wall, and this is going to allow you to make level 3 station foods inside of the cooking fire, like the coffee or seafood splatter. This is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.